Dog. Meaning, a domesticated carnivorous mammal. Example sentence: the dog wagged its tail happily when its owner returned home. Cat. Meaning, a small domesticated carnivorous mammal. Example sentence: the cat curled up on the windowsill, enjoying the warmth of the sun. Elephant. Meaning, a large mammal with tusks and a trunk. Example sentence: elephants are known for their intelligence and excellent memory. Lion. Meaning, a large, powerful carnivorous feline animal native to Africa and Asia. Example sentence: the lion is often referred to as the king of the jungle. Tiger. Meaning, a large predatory cat with a striped coat. Example sentence: tigers are excellent swimmers and are known for their distinctive orange coat with black stripes. Bird. Meaning, a warm-blooded egg-laying, feathered vertebrate. Example sentence: robins are common birds known for their red breast and cheerful song. Fish. Meaning, a limbless, cold-blooded vertebrate animal with gills and fins. Example sentence: salmon is a popular fish species that migrates to spawn in freshwater rivers. Horse. Meaning, a large domesticated mammal used for riding and as a work animal. Example sentence: she rode her horse along the beach, enjoying the freedom of the open space. Dolphin. Meaning, a small gregarious toothed whale. Example sentence: dolphins are highly intelligent marine animals known for their playful behavior. Monkey. Meaning, a small to medium-sized primate that is typically long-tailed. Example sentence: monkeys are known for their dexterous hands and are often found swinging from trees in the wild. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.